Alright, just doing a short video on how to set up the bunks as requested. So first thing you have to do is fold all the seats flat at the front. So that's this one, that one. Cool, and then the next thing we do is we have these rails. They normally travel with this one in place. They just clip onto some riv nut located bolts at the front, and they've got a little slot here which mounts on the seat belt suspension, so they're really strong. So that's the left hand rail, then here's the right hand rail. You can see a little hook there and a little slot that goes into a metal tab, so that slides into the slot there, clips down there. So next thing is the foot of the bunk. So this just clips in here. It's got two little split pins, I guess, whatever you call them, to locate it in place. So one there, one there, and then the next bit is to actually hang the bunks. So everything fits behind the seats, so that's the mattresses, the bases, the bunks. Right, and the bunks are basically already assembled. They just fold in half, so it's just a matter of putting that there. And you can see they just push down to be flat. There we go, that's one bunk. And then the next bit, this bunk just lines up with the other one. Cool. And so that just slots, there's a hole there, and then the rail goes on there. And then this end just drops into those mounts there. So that's the two bunks in place. The next thing we do is put the mattresses on, and that's, actually the next thing really is we've got two little clips here, and what they do is secure the rails. This one goes through there, the other one goes through there. So that means the bunks can't come apart at all, they're all locked together. And then the next thing we do is put the bases down. So we've got two bases to keep them flat, and we just chuck a pillow on each side just to keep these flat. And it just opens up and folds down there, and then the mattress goes on top of that. And that gives a really nice flat platform on that side, and then we just repeat the same thing on this side. So fold it flat, put one of the lounge cushions there. Actually that one goes there, I think. And then we put that base down on the other side, and then put the other mattress there. Oh, and then finally, we've got a pole just to give a little bit of extra support. That slots into a little slot on the ground, and then there. And that means you've got two very strong bunks that can obviously hold my weight and the weight of your children. And I find it perfectly fine to sleep in them. And the kids certainly love them. And yeah, normally you'd put the blinds up first, but to give some extra light for the video, I've not done that. But that's about it. I don't know how long that took, but it's yeah, fairly straightforward.